nagluto po ako ng chicken heart. Yan. Yan. Dinagyan ko siya ng guys, bell pepper tsaka onion. Tapos yung paminta. Yan guys, ang pa-dinner ko sa kanila ngayon. Tapos may macaroni ako guys. Yan ang dinner nila. Yes. Uh-oh. Be careful. Don't cut too small. That is for salad. Okay guys. Tapos gagawa kami ng salad. Okay, thanks for watching guys. And that's all. Just wait.